So I'm about to go get some gas and maybe go to the ATM, but I am working all day. I'm gonna pick Grant up at 3:30 or something and take him to somewhere, I don't know, and then he has soccer practice. I might hang out with Sage and Tanya tonight though, which is something because I haven't hung out with any of my friends since I've been home, but I'm excited to work and make some money before I go home. So yeah, I'm gonna be wearing this all week because it's really nice to wear over my work shirt. But let's go. So I just got off of work and now I went to the bank, got gas, and now I'm at Chick-fil-A. And then I'm gonna go back, eat my Chick-fil-A, and then go pick Grant up, and then take him to Kumon, and then I'm gonna go back to work. And then I might hang out with Sage and Tanya tonight, but I don't even know. I'm stressed. That's my car. Yep, keep on going. I don't take pictures of my food.
You just did it. Yeah, see, there you go. Hey, Grant, you go take your I have.
That's stupid. Turn around my freaking face, you stupid idiot.
Good morning.
Imagine, if you will, sitting down to your morning coffee, turning on your home computer to read the day's newspaper. Well, it's not as far-fetched as it may seem. In fact, both local San Francisco papers are investing a lot of money to try and get service just like that.
Hello. It's freezing raining.
It is.
We're waiting for Tanya. We don't know what we're gonna eat.
Tanya, if you're out there, hurry up.
It's been 30 years. Will we make it?
Probably not. I'm so hungry. I'm about to eat Haley.
There's a lot to eat.
Started. Science editor Steve Newman reports on one person already using the brand new system.
We're at Duck Donuts.
Love Duck Donuts. We're eating it before dinner because
We're bad at timing.
It was late. I'm just kidding. Don't put that on there.
Putting it in. So how was bowling?
It was good.
Who did we see?
Everyone.
All the men, all the women, all the people that we did not want to see. No one that we wanted to see was there. Everyone that we hated and didn't want to
Haley
see.
Boo, one of Tanya's friends.
What about you, Sage?
No. What about you? Shamaya.
We saw Shamaya too.
Shamaya.
Hey, Shamaya.
If you're out
I
there,
should've
saw
walked
you
with
at
you.
bowling alley.
Actually a friend. Yeah.
Actually, friend.
You
But
did
other than
see your
that,
friend.
we just saw some haters.
At the bowling alley.
No, what if
It was what was the deal? How much
We're
for a
not
game?
gonna say.
$2.22
222
for a game
Yeah.
222
on Tuesdays.
on Tuesdays. So
On Tuesdays.
AMF Kegler's Lane on those days.
sponsors.
Sponsor us.
Sponsor.
Where are we doing something else? Or are we leaving?
IHOP.
That sounds
No.
so
It's so.
It's super cool to do it at night too.
Your freaking door. Shouldn't cover your door.
I don't know why they changed it.
So it's Thursday. I'm live, sitting on my floor, doing my geology project. This project is insane. So me and Waverly are in our physical geology class, and we were asked to. He gave us a topic, and we have to do a video on it. So you have to have a video of ourselves, like narrating a PowerPoint lecture that has to be from 10 to 15 minutes and have from 7 to 10 slides. It's so difficult. I'm currently working on slide 7, but I'm only on page 3, and we have to have a written script, and he has to see all of this information, and we have to grade other people's. And so I'm on slide 7, and I'm only on page 3 of my script. I don't know if it's enough information, but anyways, today I'm just going to be doing a bunch of homework because I have 2 tests when I get back to school on that Tuesday. And I haven't studied, and I left a bunch of my books at home. I think I already said this, but I also, at 11, am going to pick up money for my mom so I can get lunch, so we'll see that. I also want to get my mom a Bitmoji tonight. I think that would be fun. And then, yeah, pretty much I'm just doing homework today, but my double chin is so bad. I noticed that I like film like this, so all you can see is my freaking double chin. Ew, that's so gross. I need to stop that. But I also have some funny Snapchat videos from the past few days being at home. So I might insert those. I definitely plan to do like taking all my Snapchat memories and making one big video, because I did that for summer academy, so I want to do that again. But yeah, I'm kind of dying over this project. It's 10:47 a.m. and I started like at 8 o'clock. I've gotten through it fast, but it's just a lot. So after this, I'm going to make the PowerPoint and stuff. But let's see how this goes. This is a 2-minute clip. That's really long, but peace. The colors in my outfit: purple, green, pink. I love being the rainbow. Look at that Charlottesville view. Wow. Beautiful. Like, this is a view all the time. I think that's freaking crazy. Grant? Oh my god, I'm so stupid. Annoying, I'm just sitting here.
What do you want?
Nothing. I wanted to go to the park and play with the soccer ball.
Okay, let's do it. I just have to finish this and I'll come back and do my math homework later. Let me get dressed.
Close my door. It's on my feet.
To swallow. You get it up and you get it fixed. It is too much blood, sweat, and tears in this room. You
What
get it
the
fixed
heck?
right now. You get this crap. I am not. What's wrong? What's wrong with this?
Nothing is wrong with it.
Get it up and get it up. Let's go. Some hokey stuff. You got these white boys sitting over here all.
What? It's One Direction.
Get it up. And that is not how I had this. You put it back the way I decorated it. I did it for a reason. You get it up and you moved on.
Hey, turn around.
I have homework.
On a Sunday?
Yeah. I have homework every day.
Saturday?
Yeah.
Why?
Would you come?
Meanwhile, across town, in this less than fashionable cubbyhole of the San Francisco Examiner, these editors are